Hi guys, CRNA renewal period is now open. In this video, I will show you the step-by-step process on how to renew your license in order to continue practicing your RN profession. But before that, if you like this video, you can show your support by following, sharing, and clicking the like button. Renewal application for October 1st, 2024 to September 30th, 2025. Practice years starts August 1st, 2024 until September 30, 2024 at 11:59 p.m. MDT. In my case, I was able to renew my license in just few hours. Very fast, convenient, and super easy. First, you will receive an application invitation from CRNA through email. Just click Begin Renewal and it will direct you to the CRNA dashboard. Or you can go directly to the dashboard and click the Renew button that appears to your screen. On this interface, you have two options to choose. Renew your current permit in order to practice, or you can choose to renew to non-practicing. Non-practicing means you are taking time off from practicing your RN permit. For example, personal leave like maternity leave or doing some further studies or no luck of finding a job yet. That option might be for you. But for me, I will be choosing the first option because I'm currently employed. Then click Start Renewal, which will lead you to this bunch of circles that you need to complete. Each circle has some questions and tasks that you need to complete or attestation you need to honestly sworn. No proof is yet to submit as you go along, but CRNA will have a random check for proof, so be prepared to show if you have been selected. Remember, failure to comply can be a valid reason to decline your permit. There are about 16 circles you need to complete. It turns into green every time you complete the requirement. The first circle is called the profile accuracy. It is basically verifying some personal questions about your address, contact information, employment history, and designations. It is simply a yes or no questions. The next circle is protecting patients. This is the sexual abuse and misconduct online course you have taken during your initial registration. Moving on to the next circle called existing conditions. In my case, there's no pending conditions or restrictions on my license, so let's just click next and the completion appears at the top right corner. The next circle is continuing competence. Just click the View Requirements for the list of CCP options you can take, like trainings or seminars, personal assessment, or education. The CRNA at this time will not require documents to be submitted, just a sworn attestation, but keep it ready once they contact you for a proof. The next step is currency of practice. To meet this requirement, the next step is currency of practice. To meet this requirement, you must have completed one of the following within 5 practice years. It could be a nursing employment or education. If you meet one of the requirements, then just click Next, then click an attestation that is applicable to you. Then click Submit Confirmation, then click Next. Next step is the jurisdiction verification. In this section, you just have to put any existing license you have. Just fill out the box provided. There's no paperwork on this like sending some verification to the PRC or Board of Nursing. Simply filling up the boxes. After adding or updating, just save it. And to proceed, just verify all your information by clicking the yes and no questions at the bottom, then click Next. Moving on to fitness to practice. This question speaks of your overall health to provide care. This is another attestation to your fitness to practice nursing. Again, there's no paperwork required. It is a personal evaluation, so click whatever it is applicable to you. The next circle is good character. This is another personal question and attestation. No paperwork is required, simply answer what is applicable to you. The next circle is called professional liability. This section, you have to purchase or renew your CNPS on top of your AAAN membership. Just log into your CNPS account and purchase for the practice years amounting to $71.40, tax included. Remember, you cannot submit your application without your CNPS payment. In my case, it takes about a minute before the circle turns green. The professional liability will remain yellow until the payment is received. In case 2 hours have passed and the circle remain yellow, you can call the CNPS hotline to verify your payment. And now we are down to the most exciting part, the payment section. You need a credit card, fill in your information, and voila! Bye-bye, $504 Canadian dollars, including taxes. Then down to the final circle, the declaration and submit. Read and put your initials, then submit. After submission, the CRNA will review your application. Standard processing time is 10 to 15 business days, but in my case, my permit was approved in just few hours. The permit is good for another year. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next renewal. Bye-bye.